cognitive behavior therapy, CBT, really help people with autism. No therapy in itself alone will work. So you will need ABA, you will need CBT, you will need combination of all of those. So cognitive behavior therapy says you teach children to self-regulate. So CBT is the base. It can help people with autism to regulate their emotions, to make friends, to learn new skills. But CBT alone will not help. You will also need the support of ABA, which is more structured. Hello everybody, Rajni again. Today's topic, can cognitive behavior therapy, CBT, really help people with autism? First of all, very quickly, what is CBT? CBT or cognitive behavior therapy is a way, it's a method, it's a psychotherapeutic intervention. बहुत बड़े बड़े words नहीं बोलूँगी. It's basically a therapy in which we teach the individual with autism to self-regulate, okay, to understand what they're going through. We teach them to make smart choices. We teach them to control their impulses. We teach them to go ahead, initiate conversations, make friends. Cognitive behavior therapy is something in which we teach them step-by-step language skills. Basically, so our Know Your Child program is completely based upon the cognitive behavior therapy model, which is followed worldwide. Also, parts of ABA are added into it. So, ABA is applied behavior analysis. What I've learned in the 18 years of my working in this field and working with my son and so many successful students is that no therapy in itself alone will work. So you will need ABA, you will need CBT, you will need combination of all of those. It's very simple when we're talking parenting. Yeah, forget the word autism. When we're talking parenting, sometimes you have to be strict with your child. Yeah, you have to put boundaries, whether it's a neurotypical or diverse. I have two children, one neurotypical, one diverse. It goes for both of them. You have to say, no, Veer, that's the neurotypical. So you have to say, after 5:30, there is no gaming. No. You have to start practicing your math sums. What am I doing? Expectation setting. Very clear. Sense of loss. If you do not listen to mama, I am going to have to pull out the SD card from the laptop, after which playing a game will become impossible. You decide what you want to do. Yeah. Same way with neurotypical. Sit, finish work, you get ice cream. No work, no ice cream. Yeah, the neurodiverse. Same with the neurodiverse. So, you have to do, what you have to do is teach them self-regulation using expectation setting, preempting, sense of loss, encouragement, reinforcers. Excellent job done, Veer. You were very responsible. So what did Veer learn? To self-regulate after 5:30, and then he gives a call. Why does he give a call? Mom, I stopped at 5:30, I'm practicing sums. He is expecting something. What is he expecting? Praise. Isn't that the same as the neurodiverse? Yeah, where you say, very good, you did brilliant. So parenting at the end of the day is parenting only, no? Same. So cognitive behavior therapy says you teach children to self-regulate themselves, like I just told you. So on the 5-finger model, you teach them self-regulation so that behaviors can be taken care of. Plus, you take help of ABA, which is expectation setting, preempting. So CBT plus ABA, mix of both. Okay, you give them freedom to express, that's CBT. You give them boundaries to stay within, that's ABA. Put it very, very simply in a crisp manner, like this is not the entire explanation of it, but to put it in a 5-minute talk, this is how I would say. Along with that, now you're using CBT to teach them initiation of conversation, exiting a conversation, maintaining a conversation. What does it mean? Go and say hi to auntie. Go and say bye to auntie. I will not remind you, say on your own. Yeah, the time the child says on his own, looks at you, goes and says, hello auntie. And you say, brilliant, that was super, you nailed it. And then you sit them down using ABA and CBT combination. So, putting things in boundaries. I am Nani, you are Jay. Now I am asking you, so you're doing a role play with the kid. And you're like, okay, what did you eat for dinner? Now you practice 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and then put Jay in front of Nani on Zoom. Yeah? Now, like this, you will teach different skills. So, CBT is the base. It can help people with autism to regulate their emotions, to make friends, to learn new skills. But CBT alone will not help. You will also need the support of ABA, which is more structured, more tabletop, and CBT is a little more flexible. The combination of the two lands up in teaching the child the necessary skills in life, in talking, communicating, in academics, in social skills, and in self-regulation. I hope this video was of value to you. Hit the like button if you liked it. Subscribe. We have realized that 80% of people who see our videos are not subscribed. Go ahead and press the subscribe button so that this video can reach more and more people and this help can reach more and more needy people. Yeah, as an autism fraternity, that is the bare minimum we have to do for people around who are looking for help. If you're more interested in how do I assess my child's level, how do I take it around, what is the 5-finger model, what kind of books to use, please feel free to look at the description. You have links to everything that we do. The masterclass, the lives that happen on Tuesday, masterclass happens on Thursday or Friday, autism masterclass, the customized books, the e-books, and everything that we do. Please remember, a child with autism is not a problem. A child with autism without effective parental empowerment and intervention, timely intervention, is the problem. Yeah? Let's take our autistic children to newer and newer heights by providing them what they deserve, an empowered parent. I shall see you next time with another topic. Bye.